Hello, I am Audrey, and in this video, I will be discussing 3 papers I gathered for my research review. The first paper proposes a product pricing agent. It suggests a price for a product based on the market context and the diverse perspectives of decision makers from the business industry. The second paper proposes Models Creator, which is an educational modeling environment that checks the accuracy of simulated models done by young students. The third paper proposes a human body fall detection platform that constantly monitors human physiological data for emergency event detection. This platform was made primarily for elderly people living on their own. Now, how are these papers relevant to our core subject? Well, they show us different tools that can be used for implementing intelligent systems. They basically expose us to different AI algorithms and their possible applications on real-life settings. Now, onto the materials and methods for each paper. The first paper's product pricing agent was developed using the ASEME and argumentation concept. The agent's main strength is its ability to generate fair pricing policies and provide logical explanations behind each decision. Its main weakness is it prices a single unit rather than on bundles of products. This is what the prototype application looks like. For the second paper, there was no specifically cited AI algorithms. It mainly used manipulations of entity relationships. Its main strength is it provides a platform for students to visualize concepts. It also improves their modeling techniques with feedback. Furthermore, teachers can integrate it into their teaching methods. Its main drawback, however, is its heavy dependence on the teacher's reference model. This is an example of the platform's feedback to a student's constructed model. As you can see, it is specific with the inaccuracies of the model, which allows the student to pinpoint the areas to improve on. The third paper's fall detection platform uses Stauffer's algorithm and SVM. Its strength is it adds a layer of protection for the monitored individual. However, the installation and setup process may be tedious since it needs devices installed on the individual who might drop them or forget to wear them without noticing. This is the provided diagram on how the platform interacts with the monitored individual. Now, onto the results. The product pricing agent underwent evaluation where the overall satisfaction of its users was determined. 3 user categories and 4 criteria were identified. The evaluation results from the paper are illustrated in this graph. As you can see, majority of the consultants found the application to be, quote, very satisfactory, unquote, in all defined criteria. However, the system administrators gave lower ratings to the interoperability and secure and trust criteria. As for the second and third papers, unfortunately, no qualitative tests were conducted. So let's proceed to the implications and conclusions. The first paper presented a novel application of automating the product pricing process. The added value of this agent is its capability to model human knowledge and apply human-generated strategies to automate product pricing. Plus, it provides logical explanations to decision makers if needed. This is definitely a step up in the retail business sector. The second paper's decision-making module, Models Creator, can help young students in building qualitative models during decision-making problems. In a way, it fosters analytical thinking among students as it requires putting their ideas into visual representation. This could be a step up when it comes to math, science, and logic-related curriculum subjects. Lastly, the third paper's Human Body Fall Detection System provides a way for more fragile patients to practice freedom but still under monitoring in case of emergency situations. It has potential definitely in the medical field, specifically for patient care. My presentation ends there. Thank you for listening.